this our image. So we first have to draw a rectangle. So we draw a rectangle, and then we give it a radius of about 180 pixels. That's it. And then we come back to the background and then duplicate it. So right click, duplicate layer, okay. And then we move it to the top of the rectangle, zoom out, and then we try to scale it, make it a little bit bigger than the original background so that it will look as if it was magnified. It has been magnified. So filter. So in order to center it, we have to use this, and then deselect, then filter, and then we add some Gaussian blur, about 10 or 15. Let's say 10. No, let's use 15. Okay. Now we have to add some noise to it so that it will look like frosted glass. So a little bit of noise, about 7. And then we create a clipping mask on it, on the rectangle. And then add a stroke. We're about to add stroke to the rectangle so that we see the reflections. It gives it some characteristic feature that makes it look like a glass. It should be a graded actually, gray and then white. And then we add gradient overlay. So with the gradients also be gray and then white. So gray, and then we add more like white. Okay. So make sure you reduce the opacity of the gradient overlay. Reduce the opacity. So let's use about 15. Okay. So that's it. Now you lock this or so you'll be able to move it. Move the frosted glass. Yeah, that's it. That's your glass morphism.